Ladies, my name's JK, and welcome to Will You Press the Button? Alright, last time, this is kind of like Would You Rather, I guess? Yeah, I think it is. So yeah. Alright, come on, alright. You can hear people's thoughts, but you have to hear every thought near you. Oh god, that's bad either way. Hey, come on. Because if you hear other people's thoughts, then that makes you, kind of go insane, so... And plus, it's like an invasion of privacy, too. So, yeah, I would not. I will not. It won't let me freaking press this button right here. %56% people have pressed this button, while 44% did not. It's like Twitter in your head. Well, okay. I'm saying bad because it's like an invasion of privacy. And this is freaking loading. Okay, go to the next one. Come on. There it goes. You gain awesome ice powers and immortality. So, like, Zane from Ninjago mixed in with vampire theme. Alright. But you'll slowly lose your mind and descend into madness, and you'll be aware of it the whole time, knowing there's nothing you can do to stop it. I mean, if you live forever, then you have, time. You have time to think about it. So, yeah, press the button. That'd be cool to have ice powers, though. %41% people have pressed the button, while 59% did not. Well then, I'm gonna say good, because it had good options. Wish this would hurry up, though. It's fucking slow as internet. Nice Adventure Time reference. You get a free Xbox One, but everyone thinks you're an idiot. I don't play Xbox One, I play PS4. And before that, I played PS3. So, no. I could care less about Xbox One, really. I didn't even want the PS4, to be honest. I was forced into buying one. Just because my freaking stepbrother didn't know how to freaking work one. And this is loading like this now. There it goes. You become Superman, but you're always beaten by Spider-Man. I don't like Superman anyways. I like Spider-Man. Spider-Man's my favorite superhero. When out, spite it out. Okay, that was I admit that was a stretch. That was a stretch. This one's obviously gonna be called Powers and whatnot, apparently. Because it seems to be all about the powers. The ice powers, freaking Superman, Spider-Man, immortality. Come on. You become immortal, but you have to spend the next 15,000 years of your life stuck inside a solid rock. I think, yeah. Immortality is cool and all, dude. Yeah. You get the boy of dreams, but he will die 5 years earlier than his proper death date. Yeah, I will not, because, like, I don't really like anyone right now, so. Yeah, and, when someone does, I wouldn't want them to, like, die straight after, straight before they're supposed to die, so no, that would be cruel. So that was a bad one. You get to live inside your dream home for free for the rest of your life, but you have to share it with your least favorite celebrity. So my least favorite would be, actually I don't even like a celebrity, so no. I have no favorite or least favorite celebrities, and never will I ever have that either. I mean, before, it was like Justin Bieber, but now I just really don't give a shit about any of that now. You can destroy famine, and world wars, but you have to kill your family. Yeah. Because, like, I just don't like it here. It's gonna be bad. You become a shapeshifter, but you endure the pain of your very flesh being ripped off and every bone breaking in your body each time you change. I mean, I don't really know about this one. Because if you shapeshift, then it's like you become anything you want. But, like, you have to, like, go through pain and all that. And I already laugh at my own pain, so that's nothing new, really. So, yeah. Like I said, I am sadistic. So, yeah, good. I'm very sick, too. So, yeah. There will be another season of Breaking Bad, but you have to cut of a finger. I don't watch Breaking Bad. I mean, I don't even know if it's good, but yeah, I've never seen it before. The man or woman of your dreams falls in love with you, but you have to give up your 5 most prized possessions, and you will always live in poverty. So I have to give up my freaking camera, my laptop, PS4, phone, and a tablet, if I get that back, because it freaking broke yesterday playing basketball. It was in my backpack literally from the morning, and then we were having free play in PE, and then I was playing with 2 boys playing basketball, and they were freaking from a far distance. They'd be throwing a basketball, and I guess it hit, and then like more than once it hit my backpack. And my tablet was under notebooks too, so I really don't know how that even happened. It shouldn't have happened though. That's messed up. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's even fixed right now. No. I'm not giving up all of that. Just for love. Fuck that. I know y'all gonna be like, this is... Is she crazy? I mean, come on. And this is... You get to be with the memory, but you can no longer see your family or friends. Well, I have to be with my friends because, like, we help each other out through, like, problematic things. Which I'm not listing because it's not my business to even list them in the first place. But yeah, I'm not pressing a button because, like I said, I help my friends out through anything and everything that they need help with. And I'm not going back on that. Gorgeous revealed. Yeah, I'm watching a JSE episode right now. I have it on paused. So yeah. This would hurry up. How long have I been recording this for? 11 minutes. Come on, man. 37% freaking 37 did press and 67 didn't. You can visit any point of time in history, but once a year you have to spend a 2 weeks in a Nazi concentration camp. Ugh. Yeah, I'd rather forget my past. So no. I hate my past dearly. I'm pretty sure some of y'all have good pasts. I'm not one of those who have good pasts. So yeah. This can hurry up so I don't have to see this. Cause I want to get back to watching Vampire Knight as well. Are you fucking serious? I also gotta charge this. It's right on 34. I am gonna do a third video today. It's gonna be a vlog though, alright? Just to let y'all know. Slam any celebrity you want, but they get to punch you. Hell yeah, because you can just block it. If you're like really good at blocking, like I am, you can just freaking block it and hit them. Or hurt them worse. So yeah. Because to everything that they're saying that you can do with that says but they get to do stuff, so and so and all that, there's just always gonna be something, like there's always gonna be a counter example of what you can do. So yeah. If they get to punch you, you can just fucking block it straight away. Like you have cat-like reflexes, you just freaking block it as fast as you can. So hell to the fucking yeah. Cat is laying down on my homework. You're made a genius, but everyone else becomes retarded. No, that's that's not fair. I mean, like, um, because there are some people who are, like, mentally retarded, but, like, they can be smart in their own ways as well. We all can, actually. So, yeah. It's a life lesson right there. You can be smart in your own ways. I have no idea who said that quote, but I know I said that. Trademark, TM, right there. You can date or marry any fictional character you want and create a life together, but people always disapprove of the relationship. I don't fucking care. Hell yeah, the anime character right there. Freaking either 4 people from the show as my not my thumbnail, but YouTube picture, which the one with glasses, which is Reiji Sakamaki. The one with the fedora, which is Lighto Sakamaki, or in the banner on my YouTube, there's like one behind the couch and one right here with the cat ears. The one behind the couch is Yuma Mukami, and then the one with the costume, cat costume anyways, is Kyo Mukami. Yeah, out of those 4 anyways, mostly Reiji. He's my favorite out of the whole show. But Kyo and Yuma are my 2 favorites from the Mukami family, so yeah. You instantly become the most ridiculously beautiful or handsome person anyone's ever seen, but you have a terrible personality. People dislike, hate you after a few conversations. I will not, because I don't care about freaking beauty and all that shit. I mean, God, why does it matter at all what you look like on the outside? It's what you it's what is on the inside that matters, never the outside. Affordable Care Act, aka Obamacare, finally gets fully launched, but you find out that anyone with autism, Down syndrome, homosexual, Christian, Jewish, over 60, or fat are denied care because they are freaking stepdad. Is doing that right now. Does he know that I'm recording? Fucking rude. Yeah, they are deemed evolutionary interior and therefore not worth saving. On top of that, the cost is so much that they will have to still be working when you're 105 just to scrap by. No, that seems bad. You could be lazy without judgment, but you can never dream when sleeping. I don't care. I'm lazy already as it is. So yeah, like, I write stories on Wattpad. I do YouTube. I do schoolwork. I do homework. So yeah, I just like sleep whenever I have free time. And I have pre-AP classes too. Something you don't get actually much time in. And I sleep in 5th period too. Seriously, I always sleep in 5th period, which is pre-AP English too. For me, anyways. You will be the most physically attractive person ever, but you will become the opposite sex. Again, I don't fucking care about beauty on the outside. Which I really don't, because, just the other day, I was, like, trying to get, like, making my eyebrows to where they had, like, the excess hair taken off of them, and then trying to do that, I messed up. I fucked up completely, you know. Now there's, like, 2 blotches where it is. I went to school like that. So, yeah. Bad, because it's, like, sending out a fucking bad message. I'll just start it. And run at the same time. Alright, how long is it going on? 19. So, one more. Just hurry up. got charges afterwards too. You are a member of the majority. You are safe with everyone others, but you have no individuality. Yeah. Wait. I don't fucking know. Cause that isn't even English. You are a member of the majority. You are safe with everyone others. That isn't English. So I don't fucking know what to put there. And when it doesn't English, I mean the English isn't really good to where you can't understand it right. Finally. You did not press the button. 72% did not press it. Go. I'm just gonna mark that as bad. Alright, so while that's loading, I guess. This is crazier than Would You Rather, by the way. It is free. I forgot to mention this in my other video, but Would You Rather and Don't press the button. Will you press the button? Is are free to play. They're like browser games, first of all. So yeah. I will leave links in the descriptions for both of them. But yeah. Anyway, subscribe for more content. Comment which game you want to see next. Don't forget to punch the like button in the face like a bro. And I'll see all my little vampires in the next video. Peace.